Orders complete. Nandito na kami sa McDonald's. Breakfast time! Medyo paubos na namin.
Snowing ng malakas sa labas and sobrang lamig. Ayan. While ang mga anak ko at ang daddy ay nagsiswimming. Look!
Hello fam! So good morning again! And kakabihis lang namin. I think ito pa rin naman ang damit ko at lalabas lang kami saglit ni Kuya Davon. Apparently itong hotel na to, which is the Courtyard Marriott, ay wala palang breakfast. And ito ang nabook ni Mommy. Ang may breakfast is yung Residence Inn Marriott. So, sad news is, kailangan naming lumabas ni Kuya to buy some breakfast. So, hanap lang kami. It's either Denny's or McDonald's or kung ano man ang malapit dito. Then, dalhin lang namin dito sa hotel. So, ayan. Let's go. And let's buy our food. First food for today. So, let's go. Look, kakasnow lang talaga ng malupit-lupit dito sa south of Calgary. Ayan o. Kita niyo yung mga sasakyan. Puting-puti talaga. And that is the very, very nice hotel / hospital ng south of Calgary. Ganda dyan, para talaga siyang hotel na. So, alis na tayo and breakfast time para makapag-start na ng swimming ng mga bata. Let's go! Ganda ng hotel na to. Very cozy. You know, look at that. Ganda. Okay, so kami ni Kuya Davon ang bibili ng breakfast sa labas. Magmo-market kami ni Kuya. Ay, Kuya, sarap ng tulog mo? Masarap na yung sleep mo?
Maukiti.
Masarap. Okay. Nandito na kami sa underground parking ng hotel. Sobrang sarap, fam, kasi heated garage. Heated underground parking siya. So wala talagang problema yung sasakyan. Diba? Naglulubat tong sasakyan ko pag malamig masyado. Tara tayo sa McDonald's or sa Denny's kung ano ang mas malapit. Di ko pa nakikita. Samahan nyo kami! Hindi pa rin ako nasasanay talaga, fam. Kakaiba pa rin talaga para sa akin. So siguro mga ilang years pa. And fam, so nandito na kami sa McDonald's. Walang drive-thru. Kaya kailangan namin bumaba ni Kuya Davon. Ayan. Yeah, we're gonna be buying our brunch. Woo!
Sorry,
Here, go. Oh, mate. Alright. Okay, gonna be ordering here now. Yun. Orders complete. Nandito na kami sa McDonald's. So, through the app na ako nag-order, fam. Kasi may points to tinuro sa akin ni Joseph. And when you accumulate enough points, magkakaroon kayo ng free meal. So, that's very good. Okay, so antay lang natin. Kuya, do you like it here? Do you like it here in Canada? Do you like it here in Canada? Or you want to go back to the Philippines?
Canada.
And our food is ready daw. Ayan, preparing it. Oh. Woo! Napakalamig! Ang adventure namin ni Kuya lagi. Talaga yan. Nandito na kami, fam. And let's go! Na tayo sa hotel para makakain na. Gutom na ang mga kids. Si Mami din nag-text na gutom na daw si Lianica. So let's go! breakfast time! Yan, medyo paubos na namin. Yan na ang gutom naming mga ladies, si Mami at si Dad, si Yanika. Let's go and eat!
Ayun, bebe.
At pagkatapos nito, magsiswimming naman ng mga bata dito. Mwah! Let's go! Ayan ang mga kiddos! Excited na! Mag-pool! Second floor.
This?
Yeah, let's go! Ayan. Come on guys, here. Be careful, ha?
Up or down?
Down. Hold the rails. Happy naman. Ang natatakot si Lian. Baby pa kasi eh. Takot! Kuya? Good job. High five. Thumbs up again. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Snowing ng malakas sa labas and sobrang lamig while ang mga anak ko at ang daddy ay nagsiswimming. Look at Ate Ayana. Look.
Ayan, bye swimming pool. See you again tomorrow. Okay, so fam, paakit na kami. We're done with our pool escapade for today. So prepare naman tayo for lunch and punta pa tayo ng Christmas. Pre-Christmas natin.
Hindi alis swimming pool.
Itong dalawa talaga.
Nandito na ang delivery ng food natin. So, syempre, since malamig na palamig ang panahon, ayan,
Noodles.
pa-deliver tayo ng
Noodle.
Vietnamese pho. At saka, favorite namin ito.
Wonton fried.
Fried wonton. Kainan na! At later naman, magpapaskuhan tayo kina Sis Mary. So, again, snow na snow ang Calgary ngayon. And nakausap ko nga ang isang friend ko din, si Brother Conrad from Edmonton naman sila. Grabe daw. Nagsusnow and minus 20, minus 25 din sa kanila.
Ay, sorry.
So, ganun talaga bro. Enjoy na lang natin. So, kain lang muna kami fam and see you later.
And we're done. Late lunch na. So, mag-chill lang kami dito sa hotel. Magnanap muna ang mga bata para mamaya meron silang energy para sa aming party. So, they're watching muna ng Ice Age 3 na ata to, yeah. So, nagmamarathon sila ngayon ng Ice Age. And after this nap time, maybe mga 1 hour to 2 hours. And then, prepare na kami for church. After church, diretso na kami kila Sis Mary. Nag-order na lang din kami ng mga food. Dapat potluck kami. Pero busy ang mga family ng mga sisters. So, kami din naman. Wala nga kami sa bahay. So, nasabi ko na rin sa mga sister na hindi ako makakapagluto. And actually, si Daddy ang magluluto if ever. So, nag-decide na lang mag-order na lang kaming lahat. Ayan, excited na. Counting down the hours to Christmas Day. Fam. So, Merry Christmas to everyone. And God bless you all. Sana lahat ay maganda ang Christmas. Stay warm and safe, lalo dito sa Calgary. Ang lamig naman talaga, fam.
The family is prepared. Ayan. Naka-prepare na ang mga kids and sina mommy. So, alis na kami, fam. At ito ang ating Christmas Mass. Last Christmas Mass for year 2025. And super excited na kami. At last year kasi parang hindi kami naka-attend ng ganito. So, it's our first time na maka-attend ng Christmas Mass naman. So let's go and sama kayo ulit. Ayan ang mga kids, oh. And the good thing kasi yung hotel ay nasa south na. So mga 5 minutes na lang din kami magagaling sa bahay sa northeast. Drive lang kami ni Kuya Davon. Who's going to drive, Kuya? Is it you who's going to drive? Are you allowed to drive? No, not yet. Okay. Alright, so let's go. Dito na kami sa church. Ayan. Ang sigla-sigla ng church. Ayan, daming tao. Sobrang lamig. Minus 17 lang naman. So, nakatulog pa nga to. Ayan, papasok na kami. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Let's go. Ayan na si Ate Chloe. There you go.
And fam, and we're entering our church. Ganda ng setup nila, oh.
Merry Christmas.
And last Mass this year.
The people walking in darkness have seen a great light. On those living in the land of deep darkness, a light has dawned. A light that brings hope, a light that brings peace, a light that brings joy. You have increased their joy, they rejoice before you, because God Himself would come near. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, the wonderful Counselor, the mighty God, the everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. On Christmas, that promise became flesh. The light dawned, the King arrived, and with his coming joy, true joy flooded the earth. A joy so great that creation itself cries out to respond. A joy that calls the whole world to prepare him room.
Ayan, tapos na yung church. At napakasaya nga naman. Ang message is about peace. We're going to the new year. So, ayan. Ayan si ate. Hi! Oh, hi! Hello! Done with church. Halika na, kuya! Sobrang lamig at malapit lang naman. Yan, fam, oh. Liwanag ng church namin. Saya. Let's go. Ano ngayon? Minus 17. Naka-long sleeves lang ako. Medyo nasasanay na rin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maligayang Pasko! So, nagkakasiyahan na dito. At ito lang naman ang mga gifts for our Christmas. Tingnan nyo naman tong Christmas tree ni Sister. Napakaganda at ni Brother Emerson. Yan. At ang party namin tonight ay kompleto talaga. Ayan, no? May DJ kami fam, may DJ. With all the lights. DJ, anong tawag na sa'yo bro?
DJ Inaud.
DJ...
Baliktad ng drawing ba? Inaud.
Oh, DJ Bisdak in the house.
DJ
Yo.
Bisdak.
Kompleto. Tapos may lights pa kami doon, fam. Ayan, oh. Alright. Ganda.
Only like the biggest kid.
Ayan, fam. Kids turn na. Yan, ang dami nila. Padami ng padami. Oo. Dadagdagan pa nga namin.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Ay, so sweet. Yay!
My Christmas wish is that God takes care of us all. Is it eating time yet? I'm right at the table.
Wow! Go, kuya!
Fish fillet.
Wow! Soup! Desserts. Huh? Yummy? Mac and cheese.
Ayan, fam, yung host namin for our Christmas party. The family of Emerson and Sis Mary. And they own this very, very beautiful house, fam. Ang ganda, oh. High ceiling, yeah.
Pass at the back. Inside the...
Merry Christmas, fam!
Baby boy naman! 1, 2! Sophie! Chloe here!
Alright!
Ay, galing!
Okay, Macarena daw, Macarena. Request. Request. Okay, congratulations!
Thank you, Livy!
Thank you.
And fam, countdown. 1 minute, 12 seconds until Christmas. Merry Christmas, bye. Merry Christmas, bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's up, Calgary?
Kasadja Services.
What's up?
Shout out.
Yeah. Arctic Ground.
Arctic Ground in the house. 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Kuya! Wow!
Say it again. Everything say it.
Merry Christmas! Galing ah! Kuya! Wow! That's a big one! Whoa! Merry Christmas, Kuya! Wow! Ayan o, fam! Ang daming mga regalo! Merry Christmas! Ayan, fam, yung mga girls natin. They're celebrating. Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year! Woo! Wish you a Merry
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wow! Ang social naman ng mga dito mga to. Fryer yan, no? Mga air fryer, Black & Decker, Tefal. Ayos yung mga gifts nyo.
Akala ko mag-gift din ako. Hindi pa siya nag-gift. Hindi pa siya nag-gift. Nakakahiya. Iyak na ka. Mag-gift din ako.
Yeah. And fam, after 1 hour, tagal nung steal nyo. Yay!
Gawin na natin. Uwi pa na kami na.
Let it go, let it go. Let it hold you back anymore. Let it go, let it go.
Ayan, fam. So, 5 a.m. na in the morning of December 25th. So, Merry Christmas again to everyone. Ayan, magpapaalam lang kami ni Mommy. Wala na kaming boses parehas. Naubos na sa video, okay? So, again, fam, thanks again for watching. And salamat sa pagsama sa amin ulit. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Bukas ulit. Paalam!